Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get some working Partsgeek coupon code, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is go to the couponfollow.com/site/partsgeek.com, and you can find all the coupon code and promo code they have published in a one place listed here, and it is updated according to the date here, and you can find some working coupon codes with the discount or the details here. Now simply click on show coupon code button and it will reveal the coupon code here, and simply click on copy and you can use it to the Partsgeek, and it will automatically redirect you to their Partsgeek website where you can use whenever you are purchasing anything. So the second website that you can find is coupons.com/coupon code/Partsgeek. You can also find some working coupon codes from here. Like here, you can also find some terms here. Now you have to simply click on get deals, and you can find that no code needed. You have to do is follow this URL. That URL is embedded with this link or this button here. Then it will automatically lead you to that discount page. With the discount here, you can see the free shipping. There is also free shipping, so this product are for free shipment here. So this 3 year, so it has collected this URL, so it has shown you that how you can get this. Now the third website is partsgeek.coupon.today. So you can also find some Partsgeek's Partsgeek's working coupon codes that is verified here. You can see. So you can simply click on view code here, simply, and you can find it. The cut code will be revealed here, or it will redirect you to that discount page or the offer page. So it is actually loading here, so we have to wait until it loads. So here it is. You can see the code here. So it is just not show here. So you have to do is you have to add this coupon.today on your Chrome browser, and it will show you the code to you. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.